process. So, next time you are in the mood for a Thai-inspired meal, give this recipe a try and enjoy the delicious flavors of cow pad. How to cook Thai fried rice. Thai fried rice, or cow pad, is a classic Thai dish of rice stir-fried with vegetables, protein and Thai seasonings. It's an easy one-pan meal with bold flavors with ginger, soy sauce, fish sauce and chili. Follow these steps to make authentic Thai fried rice at home. Ingredients: 3 cups cooked jasmine rice, chilled. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 inch ginger, minced. 4 scallions, chopped. 2 carrots, julienned or sliced thin. 3 cups bean sprouts. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. 2 large eggs. 1/4 cup diced chicken, optional, 1/4 cup chopped peanuts or cashews, optional lime wedges for serving. Equipment: wok or large frying pan. Wooden or metal spatula. Mixing bowl. Rice cooker. If not using pre-cooked rice, step 1, cook the rice. If using uncooked rice, rinse the rice under cold water, then place in a rice cooker with 1.5 times as much water as rice. Cook according to the rice cooker instructions until fluffy and tender. Let cool completely before making the fried rice. Pre-cooked rice works best because it's drier and easier to separate the grains when stir-frying. Save any leftover rice in the fridge for up to 3 days for future fried rice. Step 2, prepare the garlic and ginger. While the rice is cooking, mince the garlic and ginger. Set aside. Step 3, prepare vegetables. Finely chop the scallions and julienne or thinly slice the carrots. Wash and drain the bean sprouts. Step 4, make the sauce. In a small bowl or measuring cup, combine the soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce and chili garlic sauce. Whisk to combine and set aside. Step 5, heat the wok and add oil. Place a large wok or frying pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the vegetable oil and swirl to coat the wok. Step 6, fry the garlic and ginger. Add the minced garlic and ginger to the hot oil and fry until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Mix frequently so the garlic doesn't burn. Step 7, add vegetables and rice. Add the scallions, carrots and bean sprouts to the wok and stir-fry until the carrots soften slightly, about 2 minutes. Next, add the cooled rice and break up any clumps using your spatula. Continue stirring frequently to separate the grains and coat in the aromatics. Step 8, create a well and add eggs. Create a well in the center of the rice mixture and crack the eggs into it. Allow the eggs to cook for 20 to 30 seconds before scrambling them into the rice. Step 9, add sauce and protein. Pour the sauce mixture over the fried rice and toss to coat evenly. Stir in the diced chicken or shrimp, if using. Step 10, cook until heated through. Continue stir-frying until the sauce has been mostly absorbed and the chicken is cooked through, about 2 to 3 minutes.